Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Hey, not be small celebration, no, Nnamdi Kanu win, no. Not be small tea dey happen, so Nnamdi Kanu win at last. So somebody say victory at last. You know, say since 2021, now Nnamdi Kanu dey the custody of Nigerian, DSS, okay, Department of Security Services since 2021. So now the matter dey on, they can't say well, say can't reach one time the guy life come dey even in danger because he needed urgent medical attention. Still dem no gree hear. The guy don call say make dem call different people don even beg say release am, leave am to us, we go answer the matter. Dem no gree o. Nigerian government no gree. From Buhari time now to President Tinubu time. But finally today, court don speak one matter in one accord when everybody dey rejoice for. The court now don grant say make the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu get private medical doctor of his choice. Na be anybody make e come treat am, look am. They say because the place cold, no proper hygiene, feed and all that, things don health don dey deteriorate. Say so you need to get urgent medical attention. Let's get all the details. Please don't forget to please give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Nnamdi Kanu wins as court grants IPOB leader request to provide urgent medical treatment to any private doctor of his choice. Thank God, though, not be small thing, no. Justice Binta Onyoko of the Federal High Court on Thursday granted the request of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, permission to access medical doctor of his choice while in the custody of the State Security Services. The court held that Kanu is entitled to a medical doctor of his choice, however, added that such expenses should be borne by the applicant, Nnamdi Kanu himself. Justice Nyoko hold that Nnamdi Kanu, while under investigation, custody of the DSS, is entitled to medical examination, which should be at his own personal private cost. The federal government will not be responsible for that. Justice Nyoko said under the investigation custody of the DSS, Nnamdi Kanu is really entitled to any medical examination. Kanu in the suit he filed through his counsel and team of lawyers led by Professor Mike Ozion-San has appealed for an order of mandatory compulsion for the security agencies to allow him to have unhindered access to private physician. The plaintiff has requested the court for an order of mandatory injunction directing him access to medical doctor's record. Consequently, the court held that Kanu is entitled to his medical record and DSS should not hinder with his right. The court further held that medical examination of Nnamdi Kanu outside the facility of DSS should be supervised by Kanu's team of medical doctors and the report should be scaled through the security purpose. While ruling on the application, Justice Onyoko said the application on the whole success and everything that is going on now will also be thoroughly examined before further decisions will be made. IPOB leader has now been granted access and opportunity to be able to have medical access. So this is very important to his health, and most people are very happy. Jubilation is ongoing. We say that step by step, no need to hurry. Somebody say step by step. So the step by step matter now, though they become a serious one. Yes, step by step, the thing they build up gradually. So as you and I can see right now, people are beginning to say, yes, this is the order, this is how it should be. Because the same thing we said already happened before, we not go keep quiet, make we allow people to go through unforeseen stress because of some people who say they want just this selfish and they don't want mind the position of truth. So Nnamdi Kanu finally has been granted access to physician, talking about a lawyer. This guy was whisked out of Kenya. How they did that, only God knows. He was whisked out of Kenya and he was brought into Nigeria And up till today, as we speak, our brother, former Attorney General of the Federation, has not been able to tell Nigerians how Nnamdi Kanu got to Nigeria. The courts of Nigeria, that is, I would say, they do not even understand, or they don't want to delve into that area, have not asked the most important question: how did he get here? You cannot manipulate, falsify evidence and bring to court and expect the court to grant it for you. How did Nnamdi Kanu get to Nigeria? Nobody has been able to truly, sincerely answer those questions. So we are right now in between, the matter, trying to understand how Nnamdi Kanu really got to Nigeria. So there's a lot of questions surrounding those regards, and a lot of persons and people are wondering, what has been going on. However, this is a good step in the right direction, as we can see that, things are quite different, looking quite different. It is no longer business as usual. Nnamdi Kanu will be able to get the medical help that he's been crying for, or he's been asking for, is access to a doctor, so that at least his health can be looked after. You know, go fit judge case with dead man, not be there alive, not be go fit carry go court, go judge case. If he die for DSS custody, no say go cause problem, But we think say when Tinubu come, Tinubu will let bygones be bygones. However, Tinubu has not acted in that way, in that regard, in that manner. In fact, Tinubu is as if he agreed with whatever Buhari was doing and refused to grant Nnamdi Kanu, the opportunity for him to be free. So a lot of things have happened. A lot of persons are still trying to understand what has been going on, and we really want, the difference that we've been praying for. We don't want the same thing over and over again. Nigerians want a change, and this change we must get. So these are some of the issues that have beclouded us for such a long time, and Nigerians are asking for the change that we've been praying for. The issue is that we know, we all know what is good and what is bad. Everybody has an idea. Everybody has an idea, but are we really sincerely, truly appropriating that to make sure that nobody is kept in the dark? Because we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. It doesn't work that way. If you want the situation that has been on to be altered, you have to introduce a new agent. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.